Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, little angels. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Allah. I am your teacher, Faryal Shafiq, with a new lesson. You have read about some letters. Let's repeat them. A, B, K. Something is missing here. What comes here? D, D, A. What comes here? Sochi. Yes. G. E. J. K. Now what comes here? Yes. O. What comes here? In previous lesson, we have learned the vocabulary of letters T and A. Today, we will learn the vocabulary of letter. I know you love to listen stories. Today, I will tell you a story of letter friends. आपको पता है letter के friends कौन है? वो सब words जो letter से start होते हैं, वो letter के friends हैं. Here is Veena. Veena was a cute little girl जो एक छोटे से विलेज में अपने मामा और बाबा के साथ रहती. उसके पापा के पास वॉयलेट कलर की वैन थी और उसकी मामा उस छोटे से विलेज में वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो करती. एक दिन वीना वॉज में फ्लावर्स कलेक्ट करके रख रही थी कि उसने देखा वॉल्केनो में से बहुत सा धुआं निकल रहा था. उसने अपने पापा से पूछा, पापा, वॉल्केनो में से धुआं क्यों निकल रहा है? तो उसके पापा ने बताया, अगर आप अपना वॉयलिन प्ले करोगे तो वॉल्केनो हैप्पी हो जाएगा. वीना ने वॉयलिन प्ले किया और वॉल्केनो हैप्पी होकर सो गया. इस स्टोरी में हमने लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले जो ऑब्जेक्ट देखे उन्हें रिवाइज करते हैं. वैन, वैन, village, vegetables, vegetables, vase, volcano, volcano, violin, vest. और आपने ये तमाम चीजें देखी इन a video. Now let's open Oxford Modern English book, page number 32. Now put your finger with me. Van, van, west, village, was, violin, vegetables. Now you will underline the beginning sound of all these objects just like this. Now let's see how to write letter. First of all, you will trace letter on doors properly just like this, and then you will write it by yourself. It's a grass letter. You will start writing it from upper grass line. And from lower grass line, you will go back to upper grass line, just like this. Now you will put a tick on the right option. Look what's written over here. Van. Is it a van? Or is it a van? Yes. We'll put tick here. Another activity for you. Now you will observe all these objects. But you have to circle and color the objects starting with letter. Yes, find out. Yes. Vacuum. We'll circle it. Any other object? Oh yes. Volcano. And violin also. And yes, here is the van. You will also circle it and then color it. I have encircled all the objects starting with letter. You will also do it and color it. Now it's time to write on your notebook. On your notebook, you will write letter T, A, and now let's see how to write these letters. You will keep your notebook neat and clean, and you will not use the eraser again and again. Now you will write letter T. You will start it from skyline. You will draw a straight line, and now you will draw its leg, and you will draw its hand on upper grass line, just like this. You will write it 5 times on the note. Now let's write letter A. A is a grass letter. We'll start writing it from upper grass line. From lower grass line, you will turn, go again up, and again you will come down and draw its very small leg. You will write it 5 times. Now let's write letter. It's also grass letter. You will start it writing from upper grass line. And from lower grass line, you will again go up. It's very easy to write. You will complete your page just like this. Now we will draw objects starting from letter T. T. Tree. You will draw a tree. You will draw 2 curves and a ant-like shape. And here it's a tree. Tree. Now we will draw a tortoise. We will draw a circle. Now you will draw its eye. Now you will draw an oval shape. Just like this. You will draw its legs also. How easy it is. Now we will draw objects starting from letter A. Umbrella. तो बहुत इजी है. You will draw a half circle. Then you will draw curves just like this. And now you will draw a shape like letter Ch. Umbrella is ready. Now we will draw upstairs. You will draw an ant here and you will draw an arrow to show that the ant is going up. Now we will draw objects starting from letter Was. You will draw an oval shape. Now you will draw two curves just like this. And you will draw a half circle shape like this. And your vase is ready. Now you will draw a van. Now you will draw its wheels. Now you will draw its windows. You will draw these objects and then color it.
Now open your Peter and Jane, page number 27 and 28. Now look at the picture. What is he doing? He is standing in the window and looking outside. You know, it's a good dog and it doesn't hurt anyone. That's why I like the dog. Now, put your finger on the text and read with me. I like the dog. I like the dog. I like the dog. Do you have any pet animal? Like you can have a cat or a parrot? Then you can say, I like the cat. I like the parrot. If you have any pet, then you will say a sentence about it and send me your video.
It's home assignment time now. You will write letter on page number 33 on your Oxford Modern English. You will write letter T, on your English notebook and a fun activity as well. You will find out objects starting from letter T, You will draw them and send me your pictures. Take care. Allah Hafiz.